Yo, we out here in LA and today we're about to make some mochi donut and some Korean hot dog. Yo, so right now we're about to learn how to make some hot dog. I'm mad excited. It's my man right here, Eric.
Okay, lay it down.
Lay it down.
We roll it.
Woo.
And you lift it just slightly. Then you cut the excess off. And you kind of shape it with the scissors. And we're gonna shape it again with the panko.
Nice. All right, I got it. My turn.
Yeah, so
All right, so I'm gonna make myself some hot Cheetos hot dog. I'm not excited. So today I just learned how to make it. Now let's see if I could really do a good job. All right. So you gotta be honest with me if it's really good or not. All right.
okay.
So let's go. Oh, this is on the stick. It's the second time making it. I think I'm gonna do a better job. So. Hey guys, this is not easy as it looks. This is like, it's actually hard. And I'm like, alright, chill out. So this is actually my favorite. I'm not excited. So you just squirt it, and then you brush it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So put the cheese on top. Woo. I want all the hot Cheetos.
Just like dip it and roll it over.
Whoa, I'm excited. Let's go. I think that's it, right?
And you want, unless you want like sauce on it.
Oh, that was like mayo, what I did earlier.
Yeah.
Is it like sriracha and mayo?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm nice with it, yo. Woo.
Wow. Click. Yeah, like go fast.
All this sounds easy, but when you do it, it's like,
Yeah.
And there's even more pressure because they're like, oh, you're a chef, you can do it. I'm like, no, I can't, you know?
Yeah, you can.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Click.
Move it.
Click.
Yeah, more like click. Yeah.
Woo.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, I didn't get.
I did that. I did that.
Then you move it to the middle, away from the wall.
So it doesn't stick or mess up the shape.
Yeah. And like let us breathe.
Alright, so we're going 2 minutes. It's about a minute. Alright, so 2 minutes up.
You gotta pick it up.
Alright, so we're dripping out on the oil. Man, I'm having fun. That's it?
That's it.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
We out here in Mochina learning from the pro Daniel right now. Hey. So I'm gonna make my first ever Mochina. So you said grab it, drop it all the way.
Yeah. Pick it up, then
Swirl it.
No, because the donut's mad fragile. That's good, right?
Yeah, it should be good. I'll flip it up there.
Flip it up.
Okay.
Grab some pieces.
Not bad. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, that's a little much, but
You got it.
damn.
Not bad.
Can I try my first one?
Yeah.
Are you satisfied? The boss might, I don't know if he's satisfied.
Boss
Very
is not
satisfying.
satisfied. Boss is like, you just made your first one and you're eating?
What?
Thoughts? Yum?
Fire.
Can I have some?
You had just made this, right? I mean, yeah, I just made it.
Mmm. Oh, it's so soft.
Let's go.
Okay, one of the cups. Get some boba.
Hey, you guys ran out. Busy day.
Busy boba day.
Busy day.
Yeah. Then get some ice behind you.
And then what's next? And you just cap it up.
Press it up,
Uh-huh.
then turn it to this side. Yeah. Then you press the
that's it?
button.
Yeah, I feel like such a newbie.
You go that way.
Oh, what? And it just seals like, and it
Yeah.
doesn't. What?
It's a can now.
Does it like seal it with heat or just?
Nothing, just press it.
Just running. It's so cute.
Hot dog all the time. We make your chicken rice. We
What?
make the impossible chicken. We make that all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys live close by here.
Yeah,
Like 5 minutes that way.
Yeah, so we come here all the time.
Yeah.
So
This is like my best friend's spot. So
Oh,
you know,
right.
chilled out.
Oh, we come
Yeah.
here all the time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
we get
Yes? No? Yeah. What else? Anything else, guys? Corn dog. Oh man. Sure is on. This is a real order.
Oh, Eric looks like a real boss. Look at him. Look at the way he's standing here. It's very intimidating.
Oh, that's good. Ready, right?
Yeah.
Camera.
Guys, you want to see what chef made
Yeah.
for you?
Oh, I worked hard for it. Take a look at it. Take a look.
Let me look. I'm the judge.
Oh my
Wow.
god! Those look great!
I am. Oh my god, they were
So
They're
cute.
mad cute.
cute.
Moment of truth.
What does she do?
That thing just tastes so much better too. Because I personally made it, but yo, I had so much fun today just learning from my friend how to make some hot dog, mochi nuts, and some, I made this too big.
Good job, babe. That looks amazing.
But I didn't make it, I just learned how to put the cap on.
Oh, that's cool.
Hello, everybody.
I'm Carter. Carter.
Yeah, you guys shouldn't tell that one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So yo, you guys, if you guys are in LA area, make sure to check this mochi nut out. Eagle Rocks, let's go.
1, 2, 3.